Hello everyone, I'm back and I'm having facing some difficulties while making this video, so I'm extremely sorry for that. But let's start from where we left. So this was the command where we left, and now we will be filtering these logs based on the message criteria by using the where object. Okay. So I'll be using this where object, and I'm using message as a search criteria for filtering our particular type of message or particular type of logs. So you can see the log, the criteria in the message which I'll be using will have something like installation, and then there is a wildcard or star mark, which means, for example, you can refer this. So these star mark means after the installation, it doesn't care, but the starting should be with the installation. So all of the things starting with the installation, and after that whatever sentence or whatever messages are there, it will display. So you can see right now it is showing me the messages related to installation. You can see this, you can see installation, everything is related to installation. So this is one of the criteria. Installation. Suppose I want to filter the data, or I want to filter the log by using ID, index number. Okay, so what is an index number? You can see, let me go to the website. You can see that the logs have some headings, okay, some other objects, that is index, time, entry type, source. These are instance ID, message. So I can use these as a criteria to filter the logs. Right now I'm using index. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it. It's very simple. You can use this format, and instead of message here you can type index, and then since it is a number you have to type equals. Suppose I want to display this one, so what I will do is 22779. See, it is displayed. Suppose you want to find, because this is displaying a very small thing, you want to find more details about it, then you can use a commandlet which is called as format list. You can see it is giving you all the details in more readable form and in more detail. Okay, so this is, by this way you can use the format list for all the in all the filter criteria. So it will give you the details of everything. Okay, thanks. This is all, and please subscribe and to my channel. Thank you.